guys, we're just at Telephone Box Junction, top of Mount Sterling. Just going to head up to Craig's Hut, go for a bit of a run. Pretty good track, I believe. Nothing too dramatic, but like I said earlier, I don't treat any track as easy. Or you prepare for the best, prepare for the worst all the time. Anyway, should be quite a pleasant drive. We'll get you some good footage of the hills on the way, a bit of four-wheel driving, and we'll see you at Craig's Hut. If you're towing, just keep in mind that it's very steep. It might be a good track, it's pretty rocky and corrugated at the moment, as you can sort of see. But yeah, it is definitely very, very steep, which you'd expect in the high country. I'm stating the obvious. But yeah, you really want to be confident of your cooling systems and whatnot. Pulling a camper trailer or in the small caravan in on these hills. Craig's Hut, people. How good's that view? The flies love it. Nothing like it looks in the movies. lot of people would give a lot of money for a view like that off their veranda, though, wouldn't they? So that's Craig's hut, guys. Interesting spot. Definitely can't argue about the views. The hut itself, well, at the end of the day, it's a movie set. No real historical significance to the high country, but yeah, worth a look anyway. Good little track getting in here. Very, very dusty this trip. We're going to head off. We've got to head across to Adelaide for our few things to do over there. And then we're heading up to the New England for 4 or 5 months to do a lot of camps and films up there. Northern New South Wales and the New England area. So we get a bit more footage of the big high country on the way out. And Craig's hut. Come and have a look.